Welcome to English with Kitty, positive English learning, where every word you learn comes with a story and a lesson that stays with you. Today's word is betray. To betray someone means to break their trust. If someone believes in you and you hurt them behind their back, that is betrayal. It can happen in friendships, relationships, or even families. It's not just about lying, it's about choosing yourself in a way that breaks someone else. Let's break down the pronunciation. Betray has two parts. Be, like the word betray, like the tray you carry food on. So the word is betray. The stress is on the second syllable. Here's an example sentence. She felt betrayed when her best friend told her secret to someone else. Now that you know the meaning, let's listen to a story about what betrayal feels like, and how to come out stronger. Story, when Emma was betrayed. Emma and Julia had been close friends since university. They shared late-night talks, helped each other with relationships, and even planned a trip to Italy together. Emma trusted Julia. She told her everything. One day, Emma started dating someone. His name was Alex. Emma liked him a lot. She told Julia all about him. But 2 months later, Emma found out. Julia had been secretly texting Alex behind her back, and one night, Julia and Alex went out, alone. Emma didn't hear it from Julia. She heard it from someone else. She felt hurt, shocked, and most of all, betrayed. When Emma asked Julia why, she didn't get a real answer. Julia just said, "I didn't mean to hurt you." But Emma couldn't ignore the feeling. She sat alone in her room that night, not crying, just thinking. Why does it hurt so much? She asked herself. Because I trusted her, she whispered. Emma didn't fight. She didn't send angry messages. But she also didn't pretend everything was okay. Instead, she wrote in her notebook, "I can feel hurt, I can feel betrayed, and still choose peace." Emma stopped replying to Julia's texts, not because she was angry, but because she had learned something. Being betrayed doesn't mean you're weak. It means you had the courage to trust. But real strength is what you do after. A month later, Emma went to a cafe alone. She brought her journal, her favorite book, and a smile that came from healing. In her journal she wrote, "Some people will betray your trust, that's their choice. But I can choose mine. I choose to protect my peace. I choose friends who respect me. And I choose to keep believing in good people, because one betrayal does not mean love and trust are gone forever." And with that, Emma ordered her coffee. She looked outside the window. The world hadn't changed, but she had. The word betray carries pain, but it also brings lessons. It teaches us that not everyone will value our trust. But it also reminds us, we are in control of how we respond. If you've ever been betrayed, remember this, you don't need to forget it. You don't even need to forgive right away, but you do need to heal, for you. Try listening again. Each time you hear the word betray, notice how it fits in real sentences, emotions, and choices. This is how a word becomes part of your life, not just your English. And if this story made you feel something, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So you never miss a new word, a new story, or a new way to grow in English and in life.